Hey guys, Joel Sangerman here. Everywhere you turn, there's news of the bubble. Lots of predictions for a housing market crash. Some people say it's imminent, some people say it's inevitable, some people say it's around the corner, some people have been saying this for a year. It seems like a lot of folks are wizards, crystal ball readers. They have clairvoyance. And I'm here to tell you that it's not knowable. You can make predictions. It's not knowable what's going to happen in the future. There's a great case that you could make for the housing market crashing. There's a great case that you can make for the housing market continuing to accelerate through this bubble and blow it even bigger. The question, of course, is what will be the consequences of that and when will they occur? The only thing I can tell you as a dead certainty is that predictions tell you a lot about the person making the prediction, but it doesn't tell you very much about the future. But nobody knows, okay? Nobody knows. So in my life, and you can apply this to just about anything, I try to focus on what I can control and not on what I can't control. It's good to have an idea of what may happen and what may not happen to plan your strategy, but you need to focus on what you can control. And what I can control is the real estate skills that I learn, the amount of calls that I make to sellers, the way that I'm generating leads and making calibrations along the way. How am I handling objections? Listening to the calls that I make with sellers so that I can get better at seller calls. And talking to more people means getting more deals done. I want to have as many properties as I can without using my own money, without using my own credit, and earn the passive income that comes along with that, which usually includes a big down payment, monthly cash flow, and sometimes a big back-end payday. And that's what we learn how to do. And you don't have to worry about, is the market going up? Is the market going down? Worry about getting good at deal structuring, getting good at the approach you take with sellers, getting good at handling seller questions and answers, getting good at dotting I's and crossing T's in your agreement so that you have the right terms and conditions in place to close on these deals. And then get really, really effective at generating quality leads so that you can improve your conversion ratio. We can buy any house from any seller. We can monetize any seller situation, underwater or not, discount or not, full price or not. And these are the skills that my clients get in my program. If that's something that you're interested in learning, let me know. There's a link below that I believe you can hit. If you have some comments on what you think is going to happen in the market, go ahead, drop them below. Be happy to hear what you all think is going to happen and try to address some of that. But the net of the whole situation is focus on what you can control, not what you can't control, which is whether the market's going to crash or not. It's not knowable, folks. I appreciate y'all. If you want to make cash now, cash flow, and build long-term wealth, click or tap the link below and you'll get immediate access to my free trainings.